Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer your video clips to a USB device so you can transfer it to like your computer or your phone or anything else like that on your PlayStation 5. So first we need to go to the Media Gallery application. So I have mine just on the home screen, otherwise you can hold down the share button and then go over to one of your video clips and go to Media Gallery right here and select this. Then here is my Media Gallery. So you can see with the little phone icon if it's uploaded to the PlayStation app, you can always upload it and then access it on your phone by going to PlayStation app in the Google Play Store, sign in with your password, and then go in the captures section and you should be able to find your captures there. So you can see this video clip right in the middle is not uploaded to the app because it's too long. I believe it has to be maybe like 3 minutes or less, so you'd have to trim this down. Now it's easy to transfer this over to a USB device. Plug it into the front of the PlayStation 5, come in this section, press options on the clip, and there is an option right here, copy to USB drive, and it will copy that clip on over. It says you'll copy one video clip, and you can select multiple video clips, I believe. If you go to this option right here, select multiple ones, and then there will be 3 little dots, copy to USB drive right here, and you can copy over like a bunch of different clips at the same time, bring it over your computer, and then it'll be a little bit easier to edit or upload to YouTube from there as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.